Well, we're here, it's the 18th of July, day 8 of the harvest log. We're right up on the top of the hill, top of Breeden Hill. Really early start this morning. First time I've ever had to switch the lights on the combine to actually start work. Usually it's the other way around and we're switching them off when we finish. But with the very high forecasted temperatures for today and the fact that the oilseed rape is very dry, we're trying to harvest as much kind of moisture in a funny kind of way as we possibly can. It's running at between 6 and 8% at the moment in the field, so the average is just about okay. It's 6:30 in the morning now, and we'll probably have another hour and a half on this before we switch over, so we might have 2 harvest logs today. Yeah, it's a variety DSV Darling. It's looked stunning all year. Not really quite sure where the yield is at the moment. The yield monitor on the combine is not behaving itself, which is a bit of a shame because it's quite nice to be able to see when crops appear to be yielding well. We will have to wait and see once the field's finished. This is Sheldon's field. It's 20 hectares. It's one of the larger fields that we have on the farm. Won't get it finished today, but there's a block of about 70 hectares up here. So normally that's sort of a day and 3/4 worth of combining. We're not quite sure how long it's going to take us this time. Obviously, we're having sort of little nibbles at it here and there at the moment with these hot temperatures, so I don't think we'll be working all day today with the forecasted heat. Not great for staff, for the team and their welfare, not great for fire risk on farm machinery. We stopped yesterday about 2:30 in the afternoon, just moved the combine up here from the Vale and made a start in this field, but on the way home we sort of saw some smoke to the south of the farm. Weren't quite sure whether it was right on the boundary or a bit further over, but somebody was unfortunately having to deal with a fire in a field full of straw and straw bales. So that's the scenario that we don't want. We've got a spare trailer parked up just over there by the trees. Under the trees we've also got a water bowser, to about 7,000 litres of water in there, so we've got a little bit of extra capacity up here should something like that happen, and we really obviously hope it doesn't. But this is it, the harvest of 2022 continues in the heat.